Whoops. Nope, it didn't like something.
Huh. Holy shit, it's heavy, huh?
Yeah.
I was looking at one of those small nitro cars. Are
Yeah.
those alright?
Yeah, they're alright.
Start out with?
Yeah, they're alright.
I mean, can you beef them up somewhat or no?
Well, tune them. You just tune them. There's
Kinda?
a little bit. You just tune them. That's pretty much all you really can do with it. Oh. I see. The clutch. Something with the clutch. Yeah, bring it in.
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
They're going to the garage.
Yeah, that's it. Just gotta fix it. I get spare parts.
What does the clutch look like?
Oh, it's got like a 2-shoe clutch inside of a bell. You can't even see it, but it's inside there. It's inside there. There's a bell inside there.
Oh, yeah.
Like a centrifugal clutch, like a mini bike type of deal.
Yeah.
Got a spring, holds 2 shoes together.
Yeah.
That's all it is. The spring probably let go. Happens. That's why I have a spare one. All right, tubers, let's see what happened. Yeah, that spring broke. I have to get you in there. Spring broke. She brokeed. Let's see what we got in there. A little bit of rust, huh? We'll clean that up. Yeah, we'll clean that up. I have a spare clutch. Looks like I'll be putting it on there. Yeah, buddy. An 8,000 RPM clutch. I have no idea what RPM this clutch was, but we're putting an 8,000 on there. Look at that, huh? What is that? I think it ate the shoe. I don't know how, but that shoe looks pretty eaten. Must be from that spring breaking. So yeah, we'll change this clutch out. Let me go find the other one I have, and I'll bring you back. Alright, tubers, I just washed that out real quick. I got the new clutch. Ooh. Got the new clutch right here, an extra spring. It comes with new screws and everything. But I don't think there's anything wrong with the old screws. So I'm just going to reuse those because I don't know about these. So I'll save these for spares, but I'm going to reuse the old screws. I'm going to use the new clutch. Yeah, buddy. I'll bring you back when I get it ready to go. Alright, tubers. Clutch is in there and then the bells go on. I looked at the bell from RC Walt Vacuum and it's one more tooth than this one. So if I get the new inserts on the bottom, I can change the gear ratio. But for now, we're putting the original bell back on, the original gear. The bearing's got a little bit of play. So doesn't the other one, so I think it's normal. So it's going back to as normal, guys. And I have spare spring in case that one breaks. So I'll stay confident but humble. Peace!